Okay, I was cutting the short ones, the 18 inchers, and I cut through all the ones that I had. And then I looked down as I was cutting, or after I was done cutting, and I looked at some of them and I thought, that's just a touch over 18 inches. I might as well grab it and use it. That way I'll clear up a little bit of odd stuff and I'll have more of the 18s because I am doing two of them anyways. Plus, as I was pulling them up, we got a piece of black walnut. We have a hickory here. A nice piece of, gosh, I'm not even sure. It's a really cool piece though. Look at that. Almost like an elm. I don't have much of elm, but I did have some. And then there was a really cool piece of red oak here. Where is it? Oh, it's over here. Right there. Look at that. Okay, so then the thought crossed my mind as when I finished, I thought, well, hold it. For the tall one, I was going to do this, where every piece was full length, and you would have that look, which is beautiful. It would look great. But then I thought, okay, what if I take the short ones, some that are not 33 and a half, and I combine two of them to make a 33 and a half, and I offset the joints, and so what if they're not even the same width? So what? These are going to be rounded anyways. It might actually have a cool effect. So I could trim them down so that one piece is the same, but I don't know. Maybe that would look cool too. So offset the joints and offset the sizes a little bit. Probably not like this though. This one's like too close. It's so close it looks like I made a mistake. So it has to be intentional like this. So I'd have to match them up like that. But as long as every other one is a full length, then they're the ones that are going to give the full length support. Because the thing is, I look down on the other side of my saw and I have all these pieces. Like I hate to throw something like this away. You know, it's short, but look at it. It's beautiful. Here's a piece of butternut. It's not long enough for the long ones, but if I combine it with something else, maybe this cherry. We have another piece of ash here. You know, and look at this piece of red oak. Yeah, this is too wide for what I'm doing, but if I rip it in half, I could use both pieces. So, and I have a lot of stuff like this. So I'm ready to quit on this for right now. I want to bring more lumber up because I want to continue going through that one pile. But this could give me a chance to like use up some of this odd stuff that I have in the shop. And I don't want to throw it away, but let's face it, it's piling up. It's always piling up. So this is probably a good chance to use it. There's a beautiful piece of white oak, really hard wood, beautiful. And the irony is white oak is darker than red oak, but it's not. That's not why they're named white oak. It's from the nuts. Okay, and there's a lot of other beautiful odd pieces of wood in here. Okay, so I'm gonna think about it, and sometimes sleeping on these things too. You know, you think if you think of something, if you're trying to plan something, when you go to bed, think about it, and a lot of times when you wake up in the morning, you have a whole new perspective of it, or you've solved the problem. So I do believe other people that say the brain doesn't really sleep; it's continually working and solving problems. So why not give it one that you want it to solve? That's my theory that I buy into that I've heard before. Okay, let's go work on the floor and we'll pull out some more lumber for this.